Are you tired of watching others succeed online while you're still stuck thinking about starting? What if I told you that you could own a fully automated Shopify store, designed, built, and managed entirely for you? Without touching a single product, without running ads yourself, without even knowing how e-commerce works. Yes, this is real, and it's happening right now for smart investors, entrepreneurs, and people just like you. Imagine waking up and checking your phone and seeing sales already made while you were sleeping. That's not a dream. That's what Shopify automation with our team at amzstarter.com delivers. We create your store from scratch. We do the product research. We upload winning products. We integrate every app you need. We manage orders, updates, and support. And yes, it's 100% done. You just sit back, watch your store grow, and collect income. Why waste months learning, testing, failing, and trying to figure things out the hard way when you can plug into a proven system that's already making money? This isn't some cheap drop shipping course. This is hands-free automation with real results. A real online business. And you own everything. Whether you're looking to replace your job, add an income stream, or just want to make money while doing nothing, this is your moment to cash in on the e-commerce boom of 2025. Thousands are jumping into but only a few are smart enough to automate it from the start. Time is money, and the ones who move first always win bigger. So let me ask you, do you want to keep scrolling and watching others succeed? Or are you ready to launch your own automated Shopify store and start building real wealth? Visit amzstarter.com now. Book your free consultation. Let our expert team build, launch, and grow your Shopify business for you. This is your shortcut. This is your chance. And yes, this can be your passive income empire in 2025. Don't wait. Start now.